What if Kia took one of its most popular family SUVs and made it significantly more futuristic, more premium, and more powerful? Meet the 2027 Kia Sorento. For 2027, the Sorento is expected to push further into the premium SUV market with a sharper exterior design, a more sophisticated interior, advanced technology, and a range of efficient powertrain options. But the big question is, can the new Sorento become one of the most impressive three-row SUVs in its class? So, let's get started. Starting with the exterior, the 2027 Kia Sorento could receive a much more sophisticated visual identity. Kia has been moving toward a bold design language across its latest SUV lineup, and the Sorento fits perfectly into that evolution. At the front, the SUV features a wide and confident stance, with a redesigned grille that gives the vehicle a stronger road presence. One of the most noticeable elements is the lighting. The headlights are expected to feature a slimmer, more technological appearance, potentially incorporating Kia's signature vertical lighting elements. The LED daytime running lights could extend upward and downward around the headlights, creating a distinctive lighting signature that makes the Sorento instantly recognizable at night. The front bumper also looks more aggressive, with larger air openings and sharper aerodynamic surfaces. This gives the SUV a sportier character without sacrificing its practical family-oriented design. Moving toward the side, the 2027 Sorento maintains its recognizable three-row SUV proportions. The body is tall and practical, but the roofline and sculpted side panels give it a more dynamic appearance. Large alloy wheels would further enhance the premium character. The side profile also emphasizes the Sorento's longer and more substantial appearance. The wheel arches provide a muscular look, while the sculpted doors create additional visual depth. At the rear, the design becomes even more modern. The taillights could feature a vertical or vertically oriented LED signature that connects visually with the front lighting design. Cleaner tailgate, integrated spoiler, redesigned bumper, and modern LED lighting would give the Sorento a more upscale appearance. And that's exactly what Kia needs if it wants the Sorento to compete against increasingly premium SUVs. Step inside, and the transformation becomes even more interesting. The 2027 Kia Sorento is expected to offer a cabin that feels significantly more modern and upscale. The dashboard could feature a wide digital display layout, combining the driver's instrument cluster with a large central infotainment screen. This creates a clean and technology-focused cockpit. The center of the dashboard is designed to minimize unnecessary physical controls while keeping the most important functions easy to access. A larger touchscreen would provide access to navigation, entertainment, vehicle settings, smartphone connectivity, and other connected services. The driver could also benefit from a digital instrument display showing essential information such as speed, navigation directions, energy consumption, driving modes, and safety alerts. Higher trim levels could offer premium materials throughout the cabin. Expect a combination of soft-touch surfaces, high-quality synthetic or genuine leather depending on configuration, metallic accents, and ambient lighting. You can use it as a daily commuter, family vehicle, road trip SUV, or even a practical cargo hauler. The cabin could also include features such as wireless smartphone charging, multiple USB-C ports, premium audio, heated and ventilated seats, panoramic glass, and advanced climate control. Higher trims may also offer a more sophisticated seat design with additional adjustment functions. And for families, technology isn't the only priority. Kia's advanced driver assistance systems could provide features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, forward collision avoidance, parking assistance, and highway driving assistance. Together, these technologies could make the 2027 Sorento easier and more relaxing to drive every day. Now let's talk about one of the most important parts, the powertrain. The 2027 Kia Sorento is expected to continue offering a variety of powertrain choices depending on the market. Potential configurations could include gasoline, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid technology. A gasoline-powered version would likely prioritize balanced performance and everyday practicality. For buyers who want better fuel efficiency, the hybrid Sorento could be the more attractive choice. A hybrid system combines a gasoline engine with electric motor assistance, allowing the SUV to deliver strong low-speed response while improving fuel economy. This is especially useful in city driving, where electric assistance can reduce fuel consumption. The plug-in hybrid version could go even further. With a larger battery, a plug-in hybrid Sorento can potentially travel short distances using electric power alone before the gasoline engine becomes necessary. That could make it an interesting option for drivers who want an SUV that can handle daily commuting while still offering long-distance flexibility. All-wheel drive is also expected to remain an important part of the Sorento lineup. With power sent to all four wheels, the SUV can provide improved traction in rain, snow, gravel, and other low-grip conditions. And while the Sorento isn't designed to be a hardcore off-road vehicle, its SUV architecture gives it enough capability for light adventure and rougher roads. Driving modes could also allow the driver to adjust the vehicle's behavior depending on conditions. Comfort mode would prioritize smoothness. Sport mode could sharpen throttle response and steering. Eco mode would focus on efficiency. And depending on configuration, additional terrain-oriented modes could help optimize traction on slippery surfaces. The overall goal isn't simply maximum horsepower. It's about creating an SUV that feels smooth, responsive, efficient, and comfortable in everyday driving. So, what can we expect from the 2027 Kia Sorento? A more sophisticated exterior, a technology-focused cabin, 3-row practicality, multiple electrified powertrain possibilities, advanced driver assistance, and a more premium overall experience. Kia is clearly moving the Sorento toward a more competitive position in the mid-size SUV market. If the 2027 model delivers the right combination of design, technology, efficiency, comfort, and pricing, it could become one of the most interesting family SUVs to watch. But the biggest question remains: will the 2027 Kia Sorento be good enough to challenge the segment leaders? We'll have to wait and see. What do you think about the 2027 Kia Sorento? Do you prefer the gasoline version, the hybrid, or the plug-in hybrid? And would you choose the Sorento over SUVs like the Toyota Highlander, Hyundai Santa Fe, or Honda Pilot? Let us know your opinion in the comments. If you enjoyed this first look at the 2027 Kia Sorento, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more new model SUVs, futuristic cars, and automotive updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.